Hi, do you have anything for a sore throat?
Yes, we have some lozenges and throat spray. They can help with the pain.
Can I get some lozenges, please? Lozenges. Throat spray.
Hi, do you have a painkiller? I've got a bad headache.
Sure, you can take Panadol. It works well for headaches.
Great, I'll take the Panadol. Thanks a lot.
Painkiller.
Hello. Can I get a nasal spray? My nose is all blocked.
Sure. This nasal spray will help you breathe easier.
Awesome, I'll take it.
Nasal spray.
Hi, I've got a cough and a runny nose. Do you have something for that?
Yes, you can try these cold flu tablets. They help with both.
Perfect, I'll take those. Cheers.
Cold flu tablet. Good afternoon, I need some sunscreen. I'm heading to the beach.
This one is SPF 50. Perfect for Australian sun.
Great, I'll grab that one. Sunscreen.
Hi, do you have antihistamines? My hay fever's bad today.
Yes, we've got some.
Perfect. I'll take one.
Antihistamines. Do you have anything for heartburn? Maybe an antacid?
Yep. Try these. They work fast.
Thanks, I'll take a pack. Antacid.
Hi, do you have any vitamins? I'm feeling a bit tired lately.
Yes, we've got multivitamins and vitamin B tablets. They can help with energy.
Great, I'll try the multivitamins. Thanks.
Vitamins. Hi, do you have any cough syrup for kids? My daughter's been coughing a lot.
Yes, this one is gentle and made for children. Give her 1 spoon after meals.
Great, I'll take that one. Thanks. Syrup.
Hi, do you have any band-aids? I've got a small cut.
Yes, we've got a few types. Would you like waterproof one?
Yes, please. That sounds good. Thanks.
Band-aids. Hi, do you have any eardrops? My ear feels blocked.
Yes, this one helps soften wax and relieve pressure. Use a few drops twice a day.
Great, I'll take it. Thanks. Eardrops.
Hi, can I get some ointment? I've got a rash.
Sure, this one's good for rashes and skin irritation. Just apply a little twice a day.
Thanks. I'll take that one.
Ointment.
Hi, can I get a flu shot here?
Sorry, we don't do flu shots here. You can try the clinic next door.
No worries. Thanks anyway.
Flu shot.
Hi, do you have a pregnancy test?
Yes, we do. They are on the shelf behind you.
Thanks, I'll grab one.
Pregnancy test. Hi, could you help me with this prescription?
No worries, I'll get that ready for you.
Thanks, I'll wait here.
You have 2 things on the prescription. Antibiotic, for infection. Painkiller, for pain or fever.
Okay, thank you. How do I take them?
Take the antibiotic after meals, 3 times a day. Take the painkiller if you feel pain, 1 or 2 tablets.
Thanks. That's easy to understand. Prescription. Antibiotic.